technology which I feel the time has come for it to scale and do the heavy lifting is these small devices like Arduino and Raspberry Pis, and all these small pieces of software which is embedded in these devices to do small things. I mean, this particular example is motivated by a post. Again, somebody shared it with me on LinkedIn, and what they have done is that they've created a medical device which basically squeezes the respirator bag at a certain frequency. So what it does is that in a normal circumstance, there is a nurse or an attendant who will kind of squeeze it, and then it will deflate itself, and then again squeeze it back to basically help someone take oxygen. And depending on the medical parameters of that person, the frequency of that bag, I mean how frequently you basically compress and decompress it, basically adjust the frequency. And what they have done is that they have created a device in which what you do is that you just put this bag, and then it will just squeeze it and then let it decompress itself, and then it is connected to a sensor which you put or you basically connect to the human body using some sort of a probe, and then it sort of measures the oxygen levels in the body, and then accordingly it will adjust itself. And what it does is that it actually relieves the medical attendant, and then medical attendant can focus on some other patients. So I think this is a technology, and this technology is so simple. I mean, all you need is some pieces of hardware which you can obviously print using 3D printers, and you need a small device like Arduino. I mean, they're like this big. I mean, you could use Arduino Nano for this, a servo motor or a stepper motor, depending on how you design this particular solution, and then some C programming, and then you can embed that software into the device and then just let it do the needful. So I think this type of technology, and this is just one case. I mean, there could be many other things in pipeline, or maybe I have not seen, but you may have seen, where people are actually creating devices which can actually relieve a lot of manpower from doing tasks which can be done more efficiently by machines. So I think this is another silver lining, in my view, to this entire situation. Folks, I hope you liked my video, and if you have any comments or suggestions which will help me make these videos better, please put your comments below on my YouTube channel, or if you see this video on LinkedIn, feel free to put comments on LinkedIn itself, and I will try to incorporate your feedback in my subsequent videos. And if you have come to this point and you liked it, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that in future, if whenever I post a new video, you get an alert, and then you can also do an analysis of what I think on a new idea, and then put your comments on those videos as well. So thank you so much for watching till this point, and I wish you all the health and well-being. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. Goodbye.